Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the sand mutated fish in Abyss Roblox. So the sand mutations is a specialized mutations found in the ancient sands, and in here I'm going to show you how you can find it. First, you need to have your rudder on, and after that you just need to use the rudder to spot the I spot one in here, one fish with sand mutation. Now you can just hold your gun and shoot the fish with sand mutation like this. So the kind of fish might be very bad. Use your rudder to easily spot the mutations. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.